better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tynesha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe. This video is going to be on this look, this high glam look that I created using the KKW X MARIO collection. This is their eyeshadow palette that just launched. I just got this palette today in the mail and I was so excited to try it. I usually record on the weekends, but I wanted to do it today and I am loving this look. I'm actually feeling like a model negra right now. I also wanted to do this look because prom season is coming up and I have a lot of girls that always request a Kim Kardashian look. Like, that's the first thing I will hear is, you know, I always say, do you want to do smoky? Do you want to do natural? Do you want to do glam natural? And they're like, I want to look like Kim Kardashian. But everyone doesn't have those features, unfortunately. So I can do my best. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. So starting with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, as I always do, I am going to place it all over my lids. Again, if you want to see how I did my brows, I'm going to put a link up here for you. I'm going to blend it out with my makeup sponge. I'm going to start with this color here. It's called Albanian. And I'm going to apply that to my crease, or a little bit above my crease. It is a matte. Again, I love these warm tones. They are great crease colors. So like every palette that I have bought in the last, 6 months had this color. The next color I'm going to use is Loyalty. With the same brush, I'm going to blend it into the side here, just to darken up the edges. Now I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and carve out this area here. The next color is Armenian, and I'm going to place this in my inner corner here. And then I'm going to go in with Bronzy on my lid. And I'm putting a little bit of glam underneath of my brow bone. That's the completed eye look. I'm loving these colors. I love the pigment so far. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my face done. I have my concealer, foundation, blush, contour, lipstick done, and I put on my lashes. All the products that I use for my face will be in the description box. To finish up, I'm going to finish up my eyes and I'm going to do my highlighter. But instead of using the highlighter, I'm going to use the KKW X MARIO palette for the highlighter. And the color right here that I'm going to use is Glam. I want to see how this looks. You can actually use shadows for highlighters as well. I mean, it's a powder. If it works for you, I say go for it. Actually, there's 3 colors in this palette that you can use for a highlighter. But for my skin tone, I'm going to use like the mid-tone here. That is so pretty. I am loving this look. So now to finish up my eyes, I am going to line my waterline with SmoothBlue from MAC. on my 219 brush. Spray a little Fix Plus. I'm gonna use Libra to do my waterline. And this is just gonna add a pop of color. So love, this is the final look. This is my High Glam Prom KKW and Mario look. I love this look. This arrived just in time for prom and I'm sure my girls will love it. The colors are great, the pigment is great. That's all I really can say about it. This is the packaging. It comes with a mirror. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That was lipstick on my teeth. Ooh, I stuck my nail in it. Great, LaVonne.